Alright, so we got our cameras pulled and we've got our cards pulled. The one I downloaded to the cell phone, I really like that Wi-Fi connect because you can actually be up in your tree stand and download the photos and you have a better idea of what's in your area when you're hunting, whether it be hogs or deer. I do like that, being able to download it while you're in your stand. It's a lot less scent you're going to be spreading around in the area by going to your actual camera, pulling the card, swapping the card. You don't have to touch it at all, especially if you got the solar charger connected to it. Alright, so the next time you see this little area right here, we're going to be bow hunting right back there. Got a spot prepped, cleaned out, got some shooting alleys cut. We've got it raked out so that you can walk in nice and easy into the woods. And then maybe hunt that tomorrow before that cold front comes in. But that's the current game plan. If you guys have been watching our channel for very long, you know that first of all, I've struggled getting land access here in Texas. The public land that we were on didn't ever pan out. And this is year 4 of bow hunting Texas without a harvest. So I plan to change that this year. We're changing stuff up. And then I'm also looking for a part-time job because this little YouTube channel, not getting enough views to pay the bills. So hopefully I can tag deer, hopefully I can get an interview. And for you praying warrior type, pray that whatever God's will pans out, whether it be the job, YouTube channel or something, but we got to have some relief. The medical costs for insurance is just eating our lunch. I knew it was going to be tight when I retired, but it's man, anyways, pray for us. Share our video and come back. Let's see if we can get a Texas deer tag.